How to fix if you can't go live on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you have more than 1K followers. If you don't have 1K followers, you won't be able to go live. Also, if you have violated any community guidelines, you won't be able to. If that is not the reason, simply go to your profile, then click on three lines at the top right. Now at the bottom, click on Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down to Free Up Space. And then in here, you'll find Cache. Click on Clear. Clear cache and try to go live and your problem will be fixed. If you're still having issue, you can simply report it to the TikTok and TikTok will get back to you and solve your problem. And this is how to fix if you can't go live on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.